The moment the hammer dropped at Mecum Kissimmee, 2026, it was clear everyone in the room had just witnessed something special. This 2003 Ferrari Enzo was not just another hypercar crossing the auction block. It was a once-in-a-generation example, and the bidding reflected that energy from the very first raise of a paddle. Finished as a highly bespoke factory order and showing just 645 miles, this Enzo came from the legendary Bachman Collection, a name that already carries serious weight among Ferrari collectors. The car had been preserved rather than used, treated more like a piece of rolling art than a machine meant to rack up miles. That kind of care matters when you are talking about a model as significant as the Enzo, especially one with factory customization and documented single-owner history. When Ferrari introduced the Enzo, it was meant to be a technology showcase, pulling lessons directly from Formula One and packaging them into a road-legal supercar. Carbon fiber construction, active aerodynamics, a naturally aspirated 12-cylinder engine, and a paddle-shifted transmission made it feel futuristic even by today's standards. Seeing one in this condition, untouched by time, reminds you why it was named after Enzo Ferrari himself. At Mecum Kissimmee, 2026, the bidding quickly climbed into territory that shocked even seasoned auction watchers. The final sale price landed at $17,875,000, officially setting a new public auction record for the Ferrari Enzo. This result was not just about rarity, it was about provenance, originality, mileage, and timing. Collectors are increasingly chasing the very best examples, and this Enzo checked every possible box. What made the sale even more impressive was the context. This auction featured some of the most important Ferraris ever offered, yet the Enzo still managed to stand out. It proved that modern-era Ferrari halo cars are no longer just future collectibles. They have arrived as blue-chip assets right now. For enthusiasts watching from home, this sale felt personal. The Enzo has always been a poster car, the kind you grew up dreaming about. Seeing one achieve nearly $18 million validates its place in automotive history and reminds everyone why analog 12-cylinder Ferraris continue to command such emotional respect.